Hello Dnation and welcome back to the Hot Wheels Unbox and Review series. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a set of 5 1/64th scale Hot Wheels Flame Themed cars which are manufactured by Hot Wheels. These are the 5 premium diecast cars that piqued my interest and I grouped them together for this episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels diecast cars come in the signature Hot Wheels card box blister packaging with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance these diecast cars look quite premium and have a good build quality to them and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few bits and bobs with ABS plastic which makes them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width and weigh in at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their amazing color scheme and branding details and have free rolling wheels and a lot more which makes them functional and a premium collectible. And these are the 5 different diecast flame themed cars that I grouped together for this episode. And so with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these premium Hot Wheel cars. And to begin with, we have the 68 Mercury Cougar, and I love this all-time classic. And this diecast replica does justice to the real deal with a matte green paint job with its retro orange flames, a classic beauty indeed. Next up, we have the 1970 Chevellesswagon wagon, and I love the green and yellow flame job on the metallic grey body paint on this wagon, an absolute stunner and overall an awesome diecast replica. Up next, we have the 57 Chevy, and I could say that this is one of my favorite classic cars of all times, and I'm happy I got this replica for my collection. Well, I love the unique two-tone gold flame job on the all-black body with the yellow interiors, an amazing diecast replica indeed. And what we're looking at now is a 67 Shelby GT500, and I love the flame job on this muscle car variant, really menacing and has an amazing retro touch to this, a beautiful classic diecast muscle car. And finally we have the 66 Chevy Nova, yet another all-time classic favorite, and I love the orange flames and the black paint job on this one, and the chrome wheels and the red interiors make this an overall all-time classic beauty. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a big fan of the Hot Wheels classic cars and I decided to go with this theme for this Hot Wheels episode. And this is just one of the 12 episodes in this Hot Wheels series, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium diecast cars by Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's take a closer look and check out the bodywork and the functionality of these diecast beauties, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these Hot Wheels diecast cars in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these Hot Wheels diecast models. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast cars on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was a primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought Tyco Toys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make scale models of their cars, allowing the use of original design blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have become popular with the adult collectors nowadays, for whom limited edition models are now made available. And every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a series of premium motorcycle models as well. For its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of its 4 billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000. It had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as taillights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheels cars that are featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these premium Hot Wheel cars are your favorite. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the Hot Wheel episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheels diecast cars coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.